Ladies and gentlemen.
I have all these cheap razors in my inventory, all perfectly good. But why is it that I'm forced to choose between these two? It's Frugal Friday in the 2024 Lather games, and today we use our cheap stuff. And one of these two Assured for Men $1.25 tree razors is going to be put to the test today. And we have Arco Shave Stick, the Omega Bambino, and Gillette Wilkinson Sword Saloon Pack, my cheapest razor blade today. Listen to how squeaky that is. It turns out if you buy these in a 3-pack, it's cheaper per gram than my old Williams mug. Smelly stuff. You guys are right. It's the first time I've ever used Arco, and I suppose if it was all I had to use, I could get used to it. I think this thing may be chrome-plated plastic. Might be some metal parts in there. The magnet in my light. Ooh, metal. That's pretty metallic there. So, wow, you saw it here first, folks. This is actually a metal razor, or actually has metal in it. Going very easy light on the touch. No pressure at all. Might be really the best way to use this razor. I mean, we all talk about zero pressure, but this, zero pressure. Besides, if you put too much pressure on it, it will fall apart. That's pretty even on both sides. So, honestly, we make fun of this razor because it's so cheap and it comes from $1.25 tree, but if this is all I had to use, I could probably be happy with it. Well, at least satisfied. Well, I could find it acceptable, but, you know, happiness is what it is. I can certainly live with it. Assured for Men Aftershave. This is the original scent. Maybe this much fragrance and that much alcohol. Thankfully, that scent doesn't carry very far. Finish up some Black Classic Match. Polo Black. Picked this up at Meijer just last night, $8.49 for a 2.5 ounce bottle. Very nice. Have a great day, have a great shave, and we'll see you soon. Be kind to one another.